By adding animation effects at the component level, we can ensure every instance of that component shares exactly the same polish. In this lesson, we'll combine what you already know about components with the appear effects that we learned at the beginning of this course. Let me start by talking you through how I have some things set up in the Framer project here. So on this page, you can see I've got an instance of a component called icon. And if I double click on this, you can see there's just one variant, but within that variant, I do have some variables set up so that I can tweak the appearance of this from page to page. And if we go to one of the other pages here, you can see this is actually the very same component. I've just gone in and tweaked some of the variables so that I have a different icon and I have some different colors. But if I double click on it, you can see that this is in fact the same icon. And on our third page, which is called Events Part 2, we've got that same icon again, and that has similar overrides to the page before. But the important thing is we've got 3 instances of the same component on 3 different pages. So if I'd like to apply an appear effect, and I don't want to have to do that 3 separate times, I can actually do it within the component itself. So I'm going to double click on any one of these instances to go into the component itself. And if we select the parent frame of the variant frame itself, and head down here to effects like we normally would and add an appear effect, by doing so from the variant frame, we're really doing the equivalent of going and adding this appear effect to each and every one of those instances that we just saw. So let's tweak the settings here. I'm going to start with the fade in preset, but for the effect, I'm going to have it start at a slightly larger scale. I'll go 1.4 or 140%. And for our transition, I'm just going to have this ease out. So I'll go to the ease tab and switch to the ease out preset, but I'll make the time a little more dramatic. I'll go to 1 full second. So it's going to come in full speed, and then it's going to slow down over the course of 1 second. And if I press Command P here to preview it, I can actually see it directly within the component preview here. And if I reload, you can see what that looks like a couple more times. But where the real magic happens is on those pages where we have instances of this component. Now, if I press Command P here from this page, you could see that that appear effect is on that instance. And if I go to one of our other pages and preview that, there it is. That appear effect is on this instance as well. And naturally, if I go to this third page and preview that, we've got the appear effect on this third instance as well. So even if we had hundreds of instances of this component, we'd have them all taken care of in one quick swoop. And there you have it. Animating at the component level keeps your design consistent, your workflow efficient, and is a great way to scale polish across your entire project. That's it for this one. I'll see you in the next one.